Hello, good day. Welcome back to the channel. Chef Isman here. Today I am going to make boiled mango chutney. Now there are two types of mango chutney. There's the uncooked one, that's the grated where you grate the mango, and I did that previously with the pylori video. I'll put the link in the description. But today I'm going to do a boiled mango chutney. This one is the one that we use when we serve doubles, or when you buy doubles on the street. It's a street food. For those of you who know what doubles are, if you don't know, I'll do a doubles video later on so you can see and try what doubles taste. You know what doubles taste like. So I'm using three medium-sized green mangoes. But if the mangoes are a bit acid or sour, as West Indians would say, you blanch it or you scald it, meaning you put water to boil and you cut the mangoes up, chop it. You could do it in quarters and then you cut it smaller, but like here I just chopped them and I left them in big pieces, right? So this is what piece of the mango looks like here. Now what I did, I went ahead and I scalded the mango, or blanched the mango, because it was a bit acid. So to take out some of the acidity in it, and I poured off that water, and I'm going to put it back to boil now with the other ingredients so we can have our tasty mango chutney. So this is the mangoes here, 3 of them. I'm going to put them to the pot. Yeah. Put them in. And I'm going to add 4 cups of water. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or saffron as you may know it as. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of masala, ground Amchar Massala, 2 teaspoons of ground Geera or Cumin, whatever name you choose to use. It's the same thing really. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of grated garlic, 2 cloves, which is average 2 teaspoons of grated garlic. So we're flavoring this up nicely. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Of course you could check for taste on finishing it up. You could check for taste, because your taste in salt and my taste in salt, you know, would be more or less. And this is 2 tablespoons of chopped bandania or Beni or cilantro, different names for it. I'm gonna put that in there also. And I'm going to put 1 cup of brown sugar. So we're looking for a cross of flavors, bitter, spicy taste at the end of it. You can also put like a hot pepper, scotch bonnet, or piece of a hot pepper. Depends on, again, your taste, how you know, what you require or what you desire. So I'm going to leave this here to boil for about half an hour. But as it's boiling, the flavors from the mango will, you know, come into the sauce. The flavors from the Beni and the Cumin and the Geera will go into the mangoes, you know, so they're going to be marrying each other there. And the sugar, and it should, we're leaving it to dry down a bit. When I say dry down, so the water, the liquid will evaporate, and we're going to see how it looks most likely the mango will, you know, you may not need to crush the mango. What I'm trying to explain is that you may, you know, the mango is a bit soft already, but if you want, you could, for a thicker sauce, you could take your, like a potato masher and just crush it a bit, but let's not get to that as yet. So meanwhile, I will leave this here simmering. I'll come back to you in a bit. I will pause the video, make sure this is high enough heat to cook. I'm just gonna tidy up and I'll come right back to you. So let the mango continue to cook there. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is finished. See if I can lean it so you can see. See, so it has cooked down or boiled down, or the water has evaporated, however you choose to say it. And the sauce is not too thick and not too runny. And here now I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of pepper sauce. Now you can add Scotch bonnet pepper if you do have in your refrigerator, but I use up my pepper made sauce, so I'm gonna add, I just added this sauce stir. So I'm just gonna stir it a bit now. You can add pepper to taste, add salt to taste. This is here now. Here is the stage now where you taste your mango chutney and see if it's pleasing to you. I think I can take a little more salt, but I'll leave it like that because I'm going to serve it with other condiments when I make my doubles. So I'm just going to put it out here so you can see what it looks like. So I'm having that cross of flavors, sweet and savory. As I said, I'm not going to add any more salt because the chana in the doubles will have salt in it. So this is my oil mango chutney here. So try it guys, try it. Come back and let me know how it went. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to do the doubles so you can look for it in the description. I'll add the links. So thank you for looking, for watching. Bye bye. Take care.